Got a short follow-up story for you today. If you remember the video, Knock Knock, Who's There? Van had a horrible knock. We tried swapping injectors around, unplugged one, cylinder number 2, and the knock would stop for a little bit, but then it would creep back before we plugged the injector back in. Finally tore that engine down, and this is what we found. As you can see, there was a ring on here that the piece had bent and was getting caught up in here. Pieces had broken off of it, and it did a pretty good number on the cylinder wall as well. Maybe not as bad as this piston is. Cylinder wall looked more like this. Craig honed it, mated it, mic'd it, whatever. Put it all back together, put new rings on it, and this is what it sounds like now. I can live with that. I've driven it about 50 miles and it runs great. New set of rings and a used piston. Used the same bearings that came off the other one. So the bearing surface here remains against the same bearing surface it was. We didn't take a used bearing and put it in our engine. We reused the same bearing it already had.
Well, we can close the door on this little project, and this little van is ready to hit the road and find a new home. Make me an offer on this delightful little work truck. It's a 118, 291,000 miles. Injectors rebuilt by Williams Diesel in Ocala. 5 brand new glow plugs. OEM Waller EGR. Seats are in pretty good shape. Dash vents could be fixed or replaced. New armrests and the back doors all work pretty well. The sliding door is great. The undercarriage is not too bad. It's got a little bit of rust here and there, but pretty good shape all around. It does have a tow hitch, and the exhaust has been modified, deleting the catalytic converter for whatever reason.